Hello, this is Eki from ET Music, and I teach piano and voice lessons. If you could hit that like button and that subscribe button, it would be much appreciated. You can also find my Facebook page link down in the description, finding out more about piano and voice lessons online. Now with voice lessons, our main focus is to promote healthy singing. And that's basically to sing cause the least amount of damage to our vocal cords as possible. The number one rule to healthy singing is this: there's no such thing as a skinny singer. Now I know that sounds weird, but let me explain. When a singer starts voice lessons with me, I ask them to do one thing right off the bat. Before hearing what they sound like or anything like that, I just tell them to take a deep breath. You can go ahead and try it and see what that looks like, and I'll show you what it normally looks like. Done? All right, so it normally looks like this. Our chest cavity expands really, really high. The lower abdomen sucks in so much that it makes them look skinnier. So you see the skinniness there? It restricts so much space that we have here. When we sing or speak or vocalize at all, our gas is our breath and our lungs are the tank. So when you breathe like this, you're cutting off a large portion of your tank, making it difficult to sing or even speak, as you can see, without support, especially when you're trying to make a phrase and having people understand it. It's like making a trip to the grocery store, but having to fill up on the way there and then fill up on the way back. It's hard to communicate if you have to take a breath every other second. The goal is to be able to access the whole tank so we can sing or speak complete phrases with as much support as possible. To be able to project efficiently and healthily, we really want to access down here and let it really be fueled by this space. So the one thing to remember to be able to access this tank is 360. More specifically, 360 degrees. There's a common technique that has been passed around for years, and it has to do with expanding the diaphragm. And if you don't know what the diaphragm is, if you find your sternum here, that hard plate that connects your rib cage together, right underneath there is a soft spot. And if that's that soft spot, you can feel as you speak or as you sing, especially if you're really trying to get some volume, you can feel that expansion there. Or if you just go, hey, hey, and you say, hey, really low, you'll feel that pop out. And that's part of your diaphragm. And what the technique that is really common is to expand that diaphragm as you breathe in, and you can see it if you look at my fingers here on my diaphragm. As I breathe in, you'll see this expansion, and it goes like this. And then we're told to slowly expand it, and then slowly let it deflate as you exhale. That's a good place to start for correct breathing, but there's more that can be accessed than just this front expansion. And that's through 360 degree breathing. That 360 degrees describes this space all around your midsection, even all the way to the back. With 360 degree breathing, instead of just focusing on expanding this here, you want to focus on expanding your lower rib cage. And your lower rib cage goes from all the way to the front, all the way to the back, and really thinking about expanding that rib cage all the way around. And you can see that. Find your lower ribs, and as you breathe in, you want to expand all the way around like this. You want to imagine the air that's actually being used to vocalize, not necessarily coming out of your mouth or your nose. You want to imagine that that air is actually continuously feeding this space all around you and that expansion. So as you do that and you expand, and you speak and you just say things, you want to just let that space continually be filled by that. And while you do that, the space will naturally deflate. You don't want to consciously deflate that space. And as you do that, the more you give to that, the more you'll actually have. It really sounds counterintuitive, but it works. A nice breathing exercise is using the CH sound. And you can start just snapping and just on 4 counts. And then 8 counts. Breathe in. And to really understand this 360-degree breathing, we have to understand the actual shape of the diaphragm in here and the function in relation to our lungs. If you want to learn about this and more about being a healthier singer, my contact information is below. Contact me to find out how to sign up for online lessons. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and remember, if you can talk, you can sing. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.